Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study with me. So for today's video, I want to give you all a brief introduction of adjective. So, what is an adjective? Adjective mane ki hoy? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives are those words which gives us more information about a noun or a pronoun. It modifies a noun or a pronoun by giving us more information about it. Adjectives মানে এনেকুৱা word বা শব্দ যিবোৰে আমাক noun আৰু pronounটোৰ কথা বেছি ভালকৈ বহলাই বুজাই কয়। Adjectives are also called describing words as they describe a noun or a pronoun. Suppose when I say Ram is wearing a shirt, আমি এই সেন্টেন্সটোৰ পৰা বুজিছো যে ৰামে এটা শাৰ্ট পিন্ধি আছে। But when we add the word red, it becomes Ram is wearing a red shirt. So the word red gives us information about the shirt worn by Ram. We came to know that Ram is wearing a shirt and the color of the shirt is red. Red wordটোৱে ৰামে পিন্ধি থকা শাৰ্টটোৰ কথা বেছি ভালকৈ বহলাই কৈছে বা ইনফৰমেশ্যন দিছে। So red is an adjective. Similarly, I will give you another example. There are small chairs in this room. Now can you tell which is the adjective here in this sentence? Just focus on the noun chairs. So, the adjective is small as it gives us more information about the noun chairs. Roomটোত চকী আছে বুলি অকল যদি কওঁ তেতিয়া আমি গম পাওঁ roomটোত চকী আছে কিন্তু আমি small অৰ্থাৎ সৰু wordটো বা শব্দটো যেতিয়া ইউজ কৰোঁ বা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ তেতিয়া আমি গম পাম যে roomটোত চকী আছে আৰু চকীবোৰ সৰু যিটো word বা শব্দই noun বা pronounৰ কথা বেছিকৈ information দিয়ে সেইটোৱে হৈছে adjective. Adjectives answers to questions like how many, what size, what color, what material, etc. যি শব্দই বা wordে এজন মানুহ বস্তু আদি কেনেকুৱা কিমান আছে সেইবোৰ বুজায় সেইটোৱে হৈছে adjective. What are the different kinds or types of adjectives? There are different kinds or types of adjectives. They are as follows. Number 1, adjectives of quality. Number 2, adjectives of quantity. Number 3, adjectives of number. Number 4, demonstrative adjectives. Number 5, interrogative adjectives. Number 6, possessive adjectives. Number 7, distributive adjectives. Number 8, proper adjectives. Next is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality describes or gives information about the kind or quality of a person or thing. Adjective of quality এ nounটোৰ quality বা গুণ বা বৈশিষ্ট্য আদি বৰ্ণনা কৰে বা বুজায়. For example, Kolkata is a big city. Here, big is the adjective of quality কাৰণ big wordটোৱে বা শব্দটোৱে বুজাইছে কলকাতা এখন কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ city বা চহৰ. Some other examples are beautiful, good, honest, etc. Next is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity describe the quantity of a thing. It indicates how much of a thing is meant. যিবোৰ adjective বস্তু এটাৰ quantity অৰ্থাৎ পৰিমাণৰ কথা বুজায় তাক কোৱা হয় adjectives of quantity. For example, I ate some rice today. আজি মই অলপ ভাত খালো, rice খালো. So here, some is the adjective of quantity. ইয়াত some হৈছে adjective of quantity কাৰণ ইয়াত পৰিমাণটোৰ কথা বুজোৱা হৈছে. So, some other examples are much, little, etc. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number describes how many of a person or thing is meant. It gives us information about the number of a noun. For example, there are 2 girls in the park. Here, 2 is the adjective of number because 2 wordটোৱে বা শব্দটোৱে পাৰ্কত ছোৱালী কেইজনী আছে তাৰে সংখ্যা বুজাইছে. Some other examples are 2, 5, etc. Adjective of number এ বস্তু বা মানুহ কিমানজন আছে তাৰে সংখ্যা বুজায়. Demonstrative adjectives. This type of adjectives denote or indicate which person or thing is meant. For example, this is a pencil. Here, this is a demonstrative adjective as it points out the noun pencil. Some other examples are those, that, eat, etc. Demonstrative adjective কোনটো বস্তু বা কোনজন মানুহ বা ব্যক্তিৰ কথা কৈছে সেইটো নিৰ্দিষ্টকৈ বুজাই কয়. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. যিবোৰ এডজেক্টিভে কুৱেশ্যন কৰে বা প্ৰশ্ন সোধে সেইবোৰক কোৱা হয় ইণ্টাৰগেটিভ এডজেক্টিভছ। ফৰ এক্সাম্পল, হুজ বুকছ আৰ দিছ? এণ্ড আনাদাৰ এক্সাম্পল অফ ইণ্টাৰগেটিভ এডজেক্টিভ ইজ which. Next is possessive adjectives. This type of adjectives show possession or belonging. For example, this is my book. Ekhon mur kitab. Here, my shows possessiveness or belonging. Some other examples are their, mine, etc. Possessive adjective bostuto kar hoy hetu bujai koy. Distributive adjectives. This type of adjective is used to refer to each and every person or thing. Distributive adjective আমি প্ৰতিজন ব্যক্তি বা প্ৰতিটো বস্তুৰ কথা বুজাবৰ বাবে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ। For example, she likes both the dress. ইয়াত bothটো হৈছে distributive adjective কাৰণ both শব্দটোৱে বা wordটোৱে দুইটা ড্ৰেছৰ কথা কৈছে। তাই দুইটা ড্ৰেছ সমানেই ভাল লাগিছে। Some other examples are each, every, either, neither, etc. Proper adjectives. It originates from proper noun and like proper noun, it also begins with a capital letter. It modifies nouns and pronouns and is formed from a proper noun. Proper adjectives typically look like their original proper nouns but have some sort of alternative ending in order to make them adjectives. Proper adjective proper nounor porai gothon ba srishti hoy aru e noun ba pronounok modify kore ba yar kotha boholai koy. For example, I love Italian food. Italian to hoise proper adjective. Some other examples of proper adjectives are Asian, Indian, etc. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.